Hello and welcome. Today we will learn about how to use MS Word. So MS Word is a very useful tool. Everybody knows the uses of MS Office and MS Word. So actually the basics learning are very necessary, but some points are normally a professional people are missing their points. The points are how to use efficiently MS Office Word. Okay, so let me show you today video how to set a reports, how to set a table of content, how to set a page. So it's a very necessary. Collecting data and formatting it is collecting data is a very easy job to putting the data and but my mean is to process in MS Word, not to collecting data is a very easy job for everyone. So if you have put your data in MS Word, you need to generate your reports, you need to compile your data in a right manner to present someone. Your hard working are very necessary to 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 show you to other person to interpret the other person. But if you are a good enough in a knowledge, rich of knowledge, but you cannot present your work in a well manner, it means you are failed to convey your work to others. So for today's lesson, we have some content here regarding MS Office. So there are some topics, some subtopics, and we need to rearrange these topics in MS Word. So let me do the rehearsal. Let me do the practice to show you that how do you need to set this one. First of all, everybody knows. So there is in a fonts we have too many fonts we can use on our own choice or the requirement. Arial font also there, calligraphy font is also there. So let me choose these topics first. So let me go and select all. Now I want to use this one 14 to 12 and I will use Arial. Okay, so I use the Arial one. So let me choose again Control all. Now I need to change this into colors. Okay, so let me choose the color black. Okay, so then I have to do the process like you know that these are margin of your pages. So you can put your page margins here. Insert, you can break a page break. You can insert page break is is that when you have some pages here, so you can go and go to the break page. So it will generate you another page. Okay. So likewise, you can set your page. So you can insert a black page also. So let me also insert here is a table. So you can insert some table here by using, let's suppose here is we can apply these tables. So you can set your table here and you can write in your tables and you can pretty nice tables from here. So these are all about the tables and these are types. So titles we will later discuss it. Page layout. So here is page layout. We need to apply the page breaks here, section break here. So we have too many options here. So breaks. So I will break some section here. Let's suppose I will choose this one as an introduction. So let's from the introduction, I make one section break here. Just go the next. So just section break here. Now I want to choose topics, introduction to MS Word. So I will choose this topic in home. I will consider this heading 1. Okay. So likewise, if I have option 1, so I can choose heading 2. So like here option 2, you can choose heading. So these are your selections. it's depend on your subtopics and breakdown of home. You can say is home. Maybe I choose in subtopic 3. Insert, I will choose subtopic 3. Design, I will choose subtopic 3. Review, I will choose subtopic 3. By textbook pass, I will choose this subtopic 1. Let's suppose, and I will choose this one as just enter this one and make a subtopic 2. So you can choose and you can change your subtopics from here also. Here you can choose your subtopic selections. You can remove and you can modify. Okay, so I will modify my subtopics here. So here is Roman, so I will choose this one into 12, and I keep Roman as it. You can use Arial also, so it's bold. Okay, okay, okay. So you can choose your and you can modify your subtopics and subheadings in this manner. Okay, headers I will choose just okay. You need to disconnect from this page. I will choose this heading 2. So likewise I will use page break, page support document where a page ends and the other page starts. Okay, definition is also here, you can check. So I will go and I will change this page into subtopic 2. So likewise you can do your subtopics. You can divide your breakdown your uh, report into your subtopics. It could be your report, it could be your letter, but you need to know the layouts, the headings, and even for if report, you need to must know about the table of content. Okay, so if we have come with the table of content, we choose all these topics. So let me go to the references and go to the table of content. We have different style table of content. I will choose this table. We have the manual table of content also. You can try with the manual one. I will choose the first one here, table of content. If I select the table of content, my updated topics, subtopics are already updated inside table of content. Let me go and do some other exercise, and I will choose topic step 2 as home, subtopic 2, and let me go to my table of content, and then I need to here it will be edit. Okay, I need to go and update my table of content, update page number only, update entire table. Okay, so one more topic already added here. So this is how we can add the table of contents in our report, and we can remove this table of contents also. Let me show this exercise also. Go and select this one and just go to the home, and here is a normal. So it's normal, or you can match with your these already written formats. You can go, so it will match with this one. Go and update your table of content. Go and update entire table of content. If you go and update your table, so it's automatically updated. So now we have applied the page breaks. So let me show you that what's the uses of page breaks. So let's go and do the page layout we have done. So now insert, we are going to insert page number. Okay, page number I am going to insert top or bottom, it's depend on you. I will use this one as a plain 2, so you can customize also. So this is about the footer. So I will not choose the footer. I will choose the insert. I will choose the header footer. Sorry. So I will go with the uh, blank page number, top page, bottom page. Okay. So I will choose this middle one, bottom page. Here I have the page numbers. Page number 2. So I need to break my these pages page numbers. So let me click design different page number, show document page. So format page. Okay, so we go format page and we can choose this one as a Roman ones. Okay, so include chapter number, continues previous section. Okay, start, continue from previous section and start. Okay, so now this is we have done for the page break already. We have section 1 already applied with the Roman ones, and we need to check the other portion also. So let me go and select this one. Okay, so let me do the this link here. Okay, so here we are going and we can check this uh, format page numbers. Okay, so here is continuous from start at section 1. We can choose this one. Okay, so my page number is changed from 1 to onward because this is a different section. So normally for the table of content we will choose the table of content. We will choose the table of content. Normally we are choosing the Romans, and the other rest of the pages we will choose the numbers. So these are the number updated in the rest of the pages. So this is a very important for